Kariuki, KTN.
Well, Daniel, Kariuki's story brings us to a rather concerning story here, where there are short-term rental apartments, commonly known as Airbnbs, which are becoming the preferred choice for many Kenyans seeking convenience. But security experts warn that the lack of proper checks has made some of these rentals a hotspot for crime. In Nairobi, a string of disturbing incidents has put the spotlight on these facilities. From mysterious falls to gruesome murders, the cases raise urgent questions about safety and regulation. Our reporter Haman Kamariki has the details.
In Kilimani here in Nairobi, the death of 25-year-old Festus Leo Romo has raised serious concerns. Festus allegedly fell from the 14th floor of an Airbnb apartment he had booked with a woman and one more man. Festus' case is not isolated. In South Bay, delivery rider Anthony Otieno was allegedly murdered inside an Airbnb after delivery. In another incident, starlet Wahu Mwangi was found dead in a short-stay apartment, showing signs of struggle and assault. And in Risambu, university student Rita Waeni Mwendo was dismembered after being lured to a rental booked under fake identification.
The main findings were that the head had been chopped off on the neck at the level of C5.
Security analyst Lucheto Likaka says the short-term rentals, also known as Airbnbs, have become a safe haven for criminals.
Generally, these are very good hiding places for criminals because they lack several security checks. We don't have trained guards on board. We also don't have proper booking. We don't have CCTVs, among other security regulations that are actually been put in place.
Likaka says there is a need for government to formally identify the sector in order to make it safer for Kenyans.
We need to have proper mechanism in terms of know your customer. This is something that is not happening. Then proper identification at the point of check-in, check-out. How do we ensure that actually this is done? All this will require a regulation to be put in place to ensure that we provide security within the Airbnbs, because this is something that is growing in terms of tourism and everybody is involved in it, and because of the fact that there are good hiding places for criminals, there is need to actually rein in terms of bringing in regulations.
In a market that continues to grow, experts say both operators and guests must be vigilant. Haman Kamari.
Fear has gripped